So here's my idea for a display for my Swiss Army knives. I'm in the process here. Thought I'd show you along the way. Those are just a piece of plywood, and those are empty 22 long rifle cases. I drill a hole partially the way through the board and glue those empty casings in there to hold up, try and keep the shadows out, to hold up the Swiss Army knives. I should be able to get 8 Swiss Army knives on there, and I just have it propped up against my drill now, but I'll put a piece of wood in the back to, so it will stand up on its own. So this is the first part of my project. I'll keep you posted on what's going on with it, and hopefully show you the finished product. Alrighty then, out for the first part. Okay, well, I got all the pins in, all the 22 casings. I changed it up a bit though. I decided to put 6 of my 84mm and my 91mm, and I have 2 A-locks 93mm, and then I decided to put the 111mm one-hand trekker at the top. Now I have to sand out all those pencil marks, which I should have drilled the holes and sanded out the marks first and then put the casings in, but it is what it is. So the next step will be to get all the pencil marks off, and then I'm going to try just putting mineral oil and see if that makes the wood look nice, if it brings out the grain, or I might have to stain it with something, and I have to put the back on so it stands up. So that's progress so far on a part 2 anyway. Part 3 coming up. Should be the finished product. Alrighty then. Stay frosty, Dale. Be gone. Okay, we're getting, hold on a minute. Mute the TV. We're getting there. That's all the casings in. 1 coat of mineral oil. One major mistake I made, you might want to make note of this for sure if you want to try something like this. See those grid marks? Well, I would do that with a pencil, and then I put in the pegs, and now it's almost impossible for me to sand those pencil marks out. So if you do this, drill all your holes, mark your board, drill all your holes, then sand it real nice with a, to get all those marks out. Then put your pins in, because I've been sanding and sanding for forever, and they just won't come out. So anyway, be back for the finished product. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, there it is, finished product. Looks okay. I'm happy with it. I can work a little bit on those grid marks when I get ambitious and watching TV or something. I can sand away and get them out of there. But all in all, it came out pretty good. But yeah, if you do this, drill your holes and sand out the grid marks and then put your pins in. But anyway, I think it looks pretty good. Put it out on my kitchen table probably, and I have more Swiss Army knives. Maybe I'll make another one. I think I have, I don't know, 13 or 14 altogether. I have another one coming in the mail probably Friday. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It took a few hours, there's no doubt about it. It took about 4 hours, 5 hours between, you know, I gotta put the pegs in, let the glue dry and all that. So, okay. Hope you like my little project. This will be, this is a Wednesday night, August 11, 2021. And I don't know what time it is now. Let me see. 11:30. I don't know what time I started. Probably about 8 o'clock. It took a while. But I used the super glue of the pegs in, so it dried fast. And they were pretty much press fit anyway. Okie dokie. Stay frosty. Dale out.